Now, the Jamaica Ski Club is celebrating the success of its 10-member national team featuring 6 men and 4 women after multiple podium finishes at the recent World English Championship in San Antonio, Texas in the United States. More in this report.
On the women's side, Lorianne Harris claimed the Winchester Ladies Cup A to D high overall title, while also placing second in the main event C class. Aliana McMaster won bronze in the Lone Star Cup AA class, while the ladies team of Aliana, her mother Wendy McMaster, Harris and Tony Barnes finished third in the main event behind the USA and England. Meanwhile, on the men's side, Roman Tavares Finson secured 2 podium finishes in the main event and Super Sports in AA class, with Jonathan Ralston grabbing second place in the latter. Among the independent Jamaican competitors, Philip Burgess claimed an extraordinary 5 podium finishes across D class. First place in FITASC, the Lone Star Cup and American Field Sporting, as well as a third place finishes in the main event and a 5 stand. Longtime national coach Kelly Lazan won FITASC C-Class Gold, David Soberan took FITASC A-Class Silver, and Ryan Kong bagged the Super Sport in B-Class Silver. And the men's team of Christian Sasso, Sean Barnes, Tavares Finson, Ralston, Nicholas Chen and Alex Cunningham placed 5th behind winners the United States. There were over 1,000 shooters from 19 countries, including the host nation, England, Italy, Mexico, Australia and New Zealand. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.